Hey, what's going on guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to build an invoice extraction automation using n8n. I'm going to give you a template that you can import into your n8n. Basically, you click on these three dots over here and import from file. The template will be available down in the description. I'm going to upload it in our school community so you can download it and use it. Let me show you how this automation works. Basically, we have two options over here. We have a Google Drive trigger. This is where we upload an invoice in our Google Drive and the automation will pick up this invoice and extract all the data. We have another option with Webhook. If you're using external software, basically you can send your image PDF to this Webhook and the automation will trigger as well. Right now I'm going to show you how it works when we upload an invoice into our Google Drive. Basically, I'm going to upload this invoice over here. And after it's done, the automation will trigger and it will extract all the data and we'll put it into this Google Sheet, which is also into my Google Drive. Our n8n automation just finished and we have successfully extracted our invoice data. We have invoice number, invoice date, vendor name, vendor address, customer name, customer address, description, quantity, unit price, amount, total amount, tax, and the currency. Okay, so our automation is working. As I mentioned, you can upload a file into your Google Drive, or basically you can send a post request to this webhook and it will trigger the automation as well. Now there are a couple of things that you need to do after you upload the file that I'm going to provide to you. After you upload the file, you need to set up your Google credentials. Over here, you double click on this Google Note. And over here on this pencil, you can connect your Google account. Just sign in with Google and everything will be connected. All right. And after that, you just basically select the folder that you're going to upload your invoices. The next thing that you need to do is to set up your OpenAI API key. Just double click on this note over here. And again, you can see you have a credential OpenAI. Just click on this pencil icon and over here, you can paste your API key. Just go to openai.com/API and log in into your API platform. And you would need to buy some credits. I have already purchased some credits. It's pretty straightforward. Just add your credit card and get some credits. Next thing that you need to do is go over here to the left menu to API keys and create a new secret key. Just name this like n8n default project. Give it all permission and create a secret key. Copy this key, go back to the automation and just paste your API here. You need to do this 3 times. Over here is the first, second and third. Basically open each of those nodes and just connect your account. Okay, just select your account. And that's pretty much it. The automation is working. I'm going to provide you the Google Sheet template so you can upload it into your Google Drive. Also, you need to connect your Google Sheet and map all the data so you can save your data into your Google Sheet. Basically, open this node and again, select your Google account. Just sign in with your Google. And over here, you have different strings that you need to map. And basically, it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you how it works. If we open this execution and just open this node, over here, you can see invoice number, invoice date, vendor name, vendor address, and so on. I'm going to show you how you can map this. Basically, I'm going to copy this to editor and just open it. And if I delete all of this, you just need to go to the invoice number and drag and drop it over here. That's it. You can do this for all these fields like customer address, description, quantity, unit price, amount, and so on. You can find it all here. This is the data extracted from your invoice. Now I'm going to show you another method how you can send data to a webhook and basically trigger the same automation. For this purpose, I'm going to use this webhook. I'm going to connect it here and I'm going to disconnect this Google Drive just for a second. I have built myself a simple invoice software automation where I can upload a file. Basically right now we are sending the file to n8n. As you can see, the automation triggered and extracted all our data. As you can see, this is the response of the webhook over here. We sent the image or the PDF to the automation, it extracts all the data and it returns a JSON which we fetch over here. And also we send it to our Google Sheet as well. You can download this template from our school community. I'm going to leave a link down below. And also you can watch the full video in our school community where I'm going to show you how to build a simple invoice processing software using Claude Code and n8n. This video is going to be available only to our members in the school community. Pro Level AI Academy is a co-working space where I teach people how to build applications and automations using AI tools. This is where you're going to find all these templates from my videos. In this community, we are hosting live co-working sessions where we gather over Zoom and we build different applications and automations. So make sure you join our community and let's learn together. Subscribe, like this video, this motivates me to create more content like this, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.